you, Anushka. Thank you, Shahrukh. Thank you, Arun Saraf. Thank you, Imtiaz Qadri. Thank you, Mijwa team. Particularly, Sushma, Gagan, Faraz, Pratiksha, Saleha, or of course, I can't take Namrata's name. Shahrukh, may I please request you to say a few words?
Thank you very much, everyone. फिर मैं आपको cover कर लूँगा ना मैं. Okay. So thank you very much. First of all, the whole team at Mijwa for the work they're doing. Of course, Shabana ji, Namrata, Manish, and a lot of people behind the scenes who are working very hard to make this work what they really believe in. And I normally don't get opportunities to come and show my good side. You know, do the things that rich, big movie stars who are good looking and sexy are supposed to do. So this is my bit. So genuinely from the bottom of my heart, to all the boys and girls also who've taught me how to walk, and my wonderful friend Anushka, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, genuinely. I've been trying to, because I'm that kind of person who never comes to a function without Googling and finding out what they do. So I found out everything about Mijwa. From the time Kaifi Saab put this whole thing together, and how Azamgarh and Azmi comes through. But the work they're doing, you know, they started with 15 to 20 ladies, young girls, and they've gone on to have about 400 people now. Am I correct?
That's right. Yes, you've done your homework.
God bless Google.
Kya baat hai aapki?
Yeah, मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं. And but I generally want to say, and there are people in the back who are watching my butt right now. I'm sorry.
Bring them here. The Mijwa girls,
really
just bring them here.
Talking to you all also. I'm sorry. This is a little circular thing, which is completely new for me, which is making me gain in confidence as a ramp model. And all the boys, you guys watch out, dude. I'm coming, and I'm going to do this ramp stuff. I'm becoming good at it, okay? But honestly, because of Shabana ji, Manish, and Namrata, they've known me since I came to Mumbai. At some time or the other, have been extremely supportive. And what they're doing right now with Mijwa is genuinely one of the finest things, you know. Yeah, it's a small aspect of the world. And we keep talking about empowering ladies, which is a misnomer according to me. So I'll turn around here also and tell everyone, it's a misnomer. It's like, save our bloody planet. No, you don't save the bloody planet. The planet saves you. The planet is looking after you. And similarly, when we say empower women, there is nothing like empowering women. They are more powerful than us. All we need to do is genuinely give all the ladies, all the young girls, all women an even playing field. That's all they are asking for. And I know, and we have to believe this, realistically, it's an unfair world. It's a man's world. And we have taken this for granted for too bloody long. Guys, cut out the bloody word. I get into trouble with the non-liberals. But I just want to tell you this, that genuinely we've taken this for granted for too long. All we need to do is offer an even playing field. And Mijwa, in its own small way, and in its own fantastically big way, is doing the same thing. It's taking these ladies, giving them an even playing field. Women, I do believe, if they are taught learning, the learning goes much... Am I speaking too much?
No, you're not speaking too much. But here are these young girls from Mijwa. This is Shweta.
Shweta, you're the only person I've met who's got better dimples than me.
This is Aditi.
I have to kiss you. Thank you, Shweta, for doing this. Okay.
This is Sayukta. She's done the wonderful work you've seen.
Girls,
and that is Sangeeta.
I have to take advantage of this. I know you got sindoor and stuff, but you got to hug me and give me
chalo,
love.
jaldi.
Come on. Thank you so much for doing what you're doing. And I really want to say this, because I won't get an opportunity. I'll get back to my capitalist, a lot of money earning world quickly right after this. I get this opportunity because of Shabana ji and Manish and Namrata. Where's Namrata? Lovely little Namrata. And I just want to say this, that, you know, if learning is given as is being done in Mijwa, when a learning is given to a woman, it goes much further and wider than when learning is given to a man. Men are good, they're nice, they're doing this stuff, and, you know, it's really nice. But women take it further. They take it to children, they take it to society, they take it to everyone else. Labor, you know, handcrafted stuff that they're doing, chicken curry. I'm really sorry, I've never worn a chicken curry stuff before. This is the first time I like chicken, so I'm happy. Yeah. To all PETA followers, really sorry about this, but I like chicken, yeah, man. This is mine. Generally, you're a vegetarian, you can wear chicken curry. Yeah. So I just want to say, when labor and the essence of labor and work is given into the hands of women, they are much more intricate, they are much more honest about it and earnest about it. And this is an experience I've had all my life, being an actor, being a producer, being whatever capacity that I've been, even a son, a brother, a husband, a father. And the third part, you know, when you give leadership in the hands, which Misbah is giving, and your organization is giving, I think they're going to rule. And the last but not the least, because I'm here, I'm a romantic hero, love. There's nobody who loves like women. So please, it is important that we give these things in the hands of women, not to empower them, just give them an even feel, because they are better human beings. And that's the only way we can save the planet. So thank you, Misbah, for having me over here. Thank you for the stuff that you're doing.
Thank you, Shah Rukh. And let me seize this opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, to say that Shah Rukh Khan acted in a film in which he insisted on giving Deepika Padukone credit title above him. At that time, I said, that's wonderful. But what would be really wonderful if he did a women-centric film in which he had the smaller part to do, and he went and did Dear Zindagi. So, jeete raho, khush raho, that's really empowerment.
I know this is going to be so taken out of context, Shabana ji, what I'm going to say now.
No, but you're talking about empowerment of women and the fact that you actually did it.
What I'm going to say now and get into trouble.
मगर कुछ तो तारीफ करना जरूरी था ना?
Can I मैं ऐसी बात करूं जिससे मुझको trouble हो जाए इस शो के बाद?
नहीं, ऐसा मत करिए.
अच्छा नहीं करूं आज.
नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी मत करिए. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी मत करिए.
But I can still say, Mijwa and women on top.
Yay! And ladies and gentlemen, Anushka has worked with us before. We consider her part of the Mijwa family. Thank you so much for being here. Anushka, I know you're deeply committed to the empowerment of the girl child, and we'd like you to say a few words.
Should I hold both of them? You can use both. I think, good evening everybody. I think Shah Rukh has spoken so beautifully, like he always does. I just want to thank you all, Shabana ji, you, Namrata, you, Manish, you, for giving me this opportunity, because like Shah Rukh said, the greatest thing that you can do is to create livelihood for people. And even greater than that is to empower women while doing so. So hats off to you guys, and I congratulate you. And I look forward to another opportunity to associate with you all again and do whatever I can in my capacity, in my little way, as I have today. More power to all of you all.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Jeete Rao, Suman, and the gang. Thank you, thank you. It was absolutely wonderful. So, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the show. This madman, jiska naam hai Manish Malhotra, he has put this whole thing together in 10 days. So give it to Manish Malhotra. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi, thank you.
हजार बार बोल चुका हूं. चलो, I'll just go in this round. यहाँ तो राइट साइड पे शबाना जी उस तरफ यहाँ शाहरुख आ जाओ Are we saying something? Are we doing something? Should we start? थोड़ा यहाँ पर आप आगे
दीदी कब लिवा के आ रहे हैं?
हाँ?
कब लिवा के आ रही हैं?
उनको पूछो हम हेलीकॉप्टर में
We need to speak.
Come. You have to go. Anushka, come.
I think more than anything else, I'll say, first of all, I'll just like to thank Shabana ji, Namrata, Manish, and the whole Mijwa family. A part of them is here. Or, of course, Anushka, to involve me in an aspect of life which is, I think, most important, which we rightly or wrongly say empowering women. I think it's about giving an equal playing field to women. So thank you so much, Mijwa. Thank you, Manish. Thank you, Shabana ji. And of course, Anushka. And I look like a prince because the clothes I've been given are by Manish, and I'm walking next to a princess. So it rubs off on me.
You are the king.
Yeah.
So, you know.
But today I'm not showing off. I'm being humble today.
Very good. Many congratulations to Manish.
Thank you,
Very good to all of you. Now allow me to ask Manish first.
Okay, allowed. Takliya.
मनीष बहुत ही अच्छा शो, बेहतरीन शो।
Thank you.
शो के बारे में बताएं और दोनों को कैसे ला पाए साथ में, ये बताएं।
तो शाहरुख को हम लोग सब कितने सालों से जानते हैं, and whenever we asked him for a show, he said yes, he will do it, and he immediately said yes. And then I followed up with Pooja, and they were, please come whenever you want us to. So I am overwhelmed. I love him. We all respect him. He's been just fantastic always, and the same since 25 years that we know each other. He looks the same, his body is the same, and he's the same person. So he's fantastic.
मगर मनीष, इनको बिल्कुल भी ये नहीं मालूम था कि इतनी कसरत करवाई जाएगी। अनुष्का और शाहरुख को बिल्कुल नहीं आइडिया नहीं था।
इसके बाद शाहरुख बोलेंगे जब मैं फैशन शो में बोलूंगा तो बोलेंगे मैं बताता हूँ।
फैशन शो कुछ और कसरत करता है। ये कितने किलोमीटर का होगा? बिल्कुल, इसके बाद मैराथन कर सकते हैं।
And Anushka has worked with us for Mijwa earlier, and Air Dil Hai Mushkil के टाइम हमारी commitment थी कि twice earlier I think. So she was like, I will do your next show, and she's here. I love her. She does what she says, and she's wonderful.
आप पहली बार you are working for this cause, your words on this,
दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा
पहली बार
ये मेरी पहले तो खुशकिस्मती है कि मुझे ये मौका मिला, और मैं जेन्युइनली बार बार धन्यवाद कर रहा हूँ। हालांकि मेरे दोस्त हैं, मैं सालों से जानता हूँ, सीनियर्स हैं, पर शबाना जी का, मनीष का, नम्रता का, कि मुझे ऐसा मौका दिया, क्योंकि मजाक एक तरफ है लेकिन रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में ऐसे मौके बहुत कम मिलते हैं कि हम किसी भी तरह से, मैं अनुष्का फिर भी करती रहती हैं, मुझे मौका बहुत कम मिलता है कि मैं ऐसी चीज़ों में भाग ले सकूं जो जेन्युइनली हार्टफेल्ट और बहुत खूबसूरत है। तो आप ये देखें, मिज़वा के बच्चे यहाँ पर हैं, औरतें यहाँ पे हैं जिन लोगों ने काम किया है, बहुत सारी ऐसी हैं जो यहाँ पर नहीं हैं, और जो काम वहाँ पर हो रहा है, चाहे मुझे उसका पूरा इल्म ना हो, I may not have the full knowledge of what's happening there, but I know it's very heartfelt, and it is making, in helping women have an even playing field, and I think that's important. So I really am very thankful, and I'm very happy. और नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं ज़रूर आऊँगा फिर से, जब मनीष बुलाएंगे, शबाना जी बुलाएंगे, नम्रता बुलाएंगी, और मैं वर्कआउट करके नहीं आऊँगा। दैट इज़ अ गिवन, एंड जेन्युइनली अ बिग थैंक्स टू अनुष्का फॉर स्टैंडिंग बाय मी and making me look as beautiful as I look right now. It's only because of her.
हम सब उनको बहुत मुबारकबाद देते हैं, लेकिन ये मौका नहीं है, इसमें आप जरा मिजवा के ऊपर ही कंसंट्रेट करिए।
Woman empowerment, but any cause which is very dear to your heart and you like to work on it, or maybe you will work on it.
For me, I think there is no bigger cause. In the place I am, in the situation I am, in the life I've led, I think any cause which is related to giving an even playing field to women is closest to my heart.
Sir, please allow me. The audience wants to know, Mr. Karan Johar has been blessed. If you
Health and happiness, yeah. I mean, this is actually still very personal, so don't think I'm being cagey or not wanting to answer. But it's a very personal moment. I've had this moment before, so I know how personal it is. So let's respect that and leave it at that. And we'll have celebrations and love and happiness and health later.
Thank you so much.
एंड जस्ट फॉर मिजवा, मिजवा कहें धड़कने तुझसे क्या। बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है यार, मतलब मैं क्या तारीफ करूं अपनी पिक्चर की अपने मुंह से, बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर।
और सर अनुष्का की भी फिल्म आने वाली है 24 मार्च को।
एक्चुअली लाइक शबाना जी सेज, आई एम पार्ट ऑफ द ट्रेलर ऑल्सो। मैं आऊँगा ट्रेलर के अंदर, मैं पिक्चर में नहीं हूँ, लेकिन आई विश हर द बेस्ट एंड ऑल ऑफ अस हियर। इम्तियाज़ भी यहाँ पे, सब जितने भी लोग हैं, ये बच्चे हैं, genuinely it's a very happy place and a very happy moment. So let's celebrate Mijwa and this fashion show of Manish and all the boys and girls who walked the ramp. बड़ा amazing show था यार, international,
Beautiful.
like Paris and Milan.
Yeah, stunning show.
बॉलीवुड एक्टर ह्यू जैकमैन ने कहा है कि अगर वुल्वरीन का किरदार अगर कोई इंडियन एक्टर कर सकता है तो सिर्फ
बिल्कुल सत्य कहा है, बिल्कुल सच कहा है, और उन्होंने सत्य वचन कहा है बिल्कुल। लेकिन मुझे छाती पे थोड़े बाल उगाने पड़ेंगे, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं तेल लगा रहा हूँ हर रोज, सांडे का तेल लगा रहा हूँ अपनी छाती पे, सांडे का कि मेरे बाल पे थोड़े से छाती के अगर बाल आ गए ना, उसके बाद देखो मैं ऐसा वुल्वरीन बनूंगा। बेटा तूने कुछ कंट्रोवर्सी की ना, मैं हेडबट कर रहा था। मैं अच्छे मौके पे आया हूँ, चिनकारी पहनी हुई है मैंने, चिनकारी, चिकन कारी, सॉरी चिकन कारी, सॉरी। कल शाम को 8 बजे तेरे साथ मेरी मुलाकात होगी और इस पे हम बहुत लंबी चर्चा करेंगे।
यहाँ बस let's talk about the show.
मैं बहुत शातिर हो चुका हूँ,
They've been fabulous. I think. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much everyone for being here.
Thank you.
Have dinner, enjoy yourself and happy Mijwa and thank you everybody.
How you come here? I don't understand. How you?
तू अंदर क्यों है? इसको अंदर किसने आने दिया?
ये अकेले अंदर कैसे है?
अच्छा तो इलीगल इमिग्रेंट है तू?
सर आजकल अनुष्का हर जगह बॉलीवुड का जो एकेडमी अवार्ड्स है, ऑस्कर, उसमें भी अनुष्का पहुंच गई थी।
मिजवा
मैं मिलता हूँ, फिर मिलता हूँ।
मिलेंगे जल्द, सब मिलेंगे। थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी, थैंक यू।
Thank you guys, thank you.